I'm Melanie from melaniecooks.com, and today I'll be cooking teriyaki chicken breast skewers in the air fryer. So here's a package of pre-seasoned, pre-marinated teriyaki chicken skewers. I got those in Aldi, but I'm sure other stores carry something similar. So this is raw chicken. It's not cooked, it's just marinated. An air fryer is a perfect tool for cooking it. So all we need to do is just put this chicken in the air fryer and it will cook it to perfection. So I'll open now the package of the chicken skewers. And put them in the air fryer in a single layer. And now let's put the air fryer basket in the air fryer. And I'm going to set the temperature to 400 degrees Fahrenheit. And I'm going to set the time to 13 minutes. Now halfway through the cooking time, let's take out the air fryer basket and carefully flip the skewers over. So just grab it by the wooden stick. And put it back in the air fryer and let it finish cooking. Now the air fryer is done cooking, so let's take a look at the chicken skewers. Wow, they look amazing. So nicely brown and perfectly cooked. They look like they're grilled, but without the grill. The air fryer helps it achieve this perfect grilled look. Now to make sure they're fully cooked through, I do recommend the instant read thermometer. Just check the thickest pieces. Make sure they're at least 165 degrees Fahrenheit. Yep, these are totally cooked over 165 Fahrenheit. So if your skewers aren't fully cooked, just put it back in the air fryer at 400 degrees for another couple of minutes until they're fully cooked. So let's remove them from the air fryer. So again, I'll carefully grab it by the wooden stick, but you have to be super careful. Make sure you don't touch the air fryer so you don't get burned. You can also use the oven-safe gloves to be sure. But I'm grabbing it by the sticks. The sticks, they don't get too hot. Just be super careful. Perfect. Look at these skewers. Looks like a perfect barbecue, as if you were slaving away at the grill, but all you did is put it in the air fryer. So easy. Now let's try it. So excited. I love grilled chicken. So it's totally cooked inside. This chicken is so tender and so flavorful because it's pre-marinated and it's delicious teriyaki marinade. It's really full of that teriyaki flavor, and the marinade also keeps it very juicy, very moist. This chicken tastes amazing. If you never tried this pre-marinated teriyaki chicken kebabs, please get it. I highly recommend. This is a perfect convenience food. Tastes so good. You will love it. For a free printable recipe and other easy air fryer recipes, please visit my website, melaniecooks.com. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel, Melanie Cooks. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Enjoy!